Hey, what's up, everybody? Got an interesting item here today. To me, this is a bit of a holy grail kind of item. This is a Geiger counter that was built for the civil defense department, if you will. So it's a functioning Geiger counter, but it's really meant to be used as a training aid in the working principles and operation of Geiger counters. So this is really like a classroom Geiger counter, if you will. That's the best way I can describe it. I don't see many of these. This is called a CDV-457. This one was manufactured by Nucleonic Corporation of America, Brooklyn, New York. I think these are from the 50s. Now this one, unfortunately, it's not in working condition. I don't think there's much wrong with it. These have a tendency to have bad capacitors and stuff. They go bad over time, so I'm hoping I can get this fixed. It looks kind of like a tube radio inside, and I'm about to open it up and show it to you. But anyway, I'm going to give you a brief kind of walk around of this thing. So that's the front of it, right? And this is the back. And this is the test probe. And you open this up and it reveals this kind of element. I don't know what's in here. I don't know what these are made out of. I haven't researched it quite that far, but anyhow, so that's the test probe. And these are designed to be serviceable, which is nice. So I've undone the screws and I'm gonna slide it open here. If anybody watching this knows about these or knows a person who can repair these, please leave a comment. I would much appreciate it. I was trying to reach out to some local radio hobbyist people, hoping that they might be able to point me in the right direction, because this really looks like a radio inside. Just a few tubes, a couple of little transformers, a couple of capacitors. So it's pretty clean. It doesn't look like it's been messed with. You know, these didn't see any heavy usage, you know what I mean? So these should have stayed in relatively good condition. But again, you know, I don't know its history, but it looks pretty clean, and it's got a bunch of little incandescent bulbs down there. Anyway, I don't think this looks tampered with, but there's a few solders to me that, I don't know, don't really look factory either, so this may have been messed with. But anyway, that's what these things look like on the inside. You will probably never come across one of these in real life. It's a pretty rare item, and I don't think most people care either. The stuff that I collect, I don't think there's too many people really all that interested in my unusual items that I find. But I put it out there anyway. Some people get a kick out of it. So anyway, that is your civil defense training Geiger counter. Very unusual piece of American Cold War history. Thanks for watching.